Hi everyone, welcome to day 12. It is July 23rd, Thursday, and it is almost the end of week 3 of virtual ESY. So today we're going to be looking at time matters, and what I want to remind you is that when we're counting on a clock, we want to count by fives. So you can see I marked our different areas on the clock, and I'm going to show you how I would read this clock. So the little hand is at the 2, so we know it's 2 o'clock, and the big hand is at the 7. So I'm going to start up where it says 0, 0, and I'm going to count by fives for each number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we can see that it is 2:35. Another thing I want to remind you of, AM is the morning, PM is the afternoon and evening. So what you're going to do on this first slide is you're going to be looking at each scenario and deciding which time is the earliest. So Kelly wants to go to the water park early to get a chair. What is the earliest time she can get to the water park? Which clock shows the earliest time in the morning? So you're going to select one of these with the arrow. Shane wants to get cotton candy. What is the latest time he can order cotton candy at the amusement park? Which clock shows the latest time? So we're looking for the biggest number for latest and the smallest number for earliest. The next slides are going to require you to read some of these scenarios and do a couple of things. So Shane rides the pirate ship at 2:00 p.m. We have to show the time on the clock. So we're going to write out 2:00. Well, we know 2 goes here, and it will be 0, 0. When it says o'clock, that means 0, 0. You're going to say if it's morning or afternoon and night, and select one of these with your circles. And then to show the time on the clock, you can just drag your circle to the numbers instead of using the hands, because I know those can be tricky. So for each one of these scenarios, you're going to read through it, and you're going to fill out that information about them. Finally, when we get down here, what you're going to need to do is use your phone as a calculator. So for here, we can see that I actually need to change these numbers from a different time, but we can see that it is a math problem that we are solving. Shane gets in line for bumper cars at 10:30 a.m. So I put the yellow mark on 10:30 a.m. and I'm actually going to put that number right into here. So 10:30 here, he gets in line. It takes him 25 minutes. So I highlighted 25 and put it here. What time will Shane get to ride the bumper cars? So we're going to add 30 plus 25, and what we're going to get is 55. So it will be at 10:55 that Shane gets to ride the bumper cars. You're going to then do the same thing for your next couple of problems. You can use this highlighted stuff to cover the numbers that you see as you read them so that you can figure out your math problem. And you're going to do that for the next 2 slides. So a little refresher on some of our time math, and this is for our amusement and water parks. Have a great day and weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Bye.